what you see here is a nice batch of fresh blackberries that I picked out of the backyard. So we're going to use some of those. Keep in mind that you can use all kinds of non-acidic fruits like this, like apple juice, watermelon juice. We've got some nectarines, even cantaloupe, which tastes delicious. Pineapple is one of the best, and it's acidic. Or orange juice. So while I'm using these wonderful blackberries, and I've got them in a colander now, squeeze all the juice out of them, I will still have to get some acid into the mix. And I'm choosing these beautiful fruits because I'm no longer in prison and don't have to rely on things like watered down orange juice, or even or pineapple juice, or slices, or whatever you get your hands on, or even tomato paste. I've seen people use that. So moving right along,